This message is for my first-time homebuyers, renters that are looking to get into the market desperately, and I guess in a really backwards way, my investors. Are you looking to get into the market, but you're kind of like, maybe I should save up more? Well, listen, let's say that you stayed in your property and rent is $3,000 a month. Well, let's look at that over 1 year. That's how much you're spending. Over 2 years, that is what you are spending. And over 5 years, this is your whopping total. Now, with that said, the concept of trying to save up more in order to put down more, let's get honest about it. Price points in the rental market and kind of the resale, they're not dropping that much. So you taking the time to save more, it's kind of like chasing a moving train. It just keeps going and you could kind of never catch up. So with that said, get yourself in the market. And another point that's controversial and not going to be comfortable to hear, sometimes you just really need to get into the market. I'm not saying buy like a shanty town, but I am saying get yourself into the market. Your first home doesn't have to be a perfect home. It just needs to secure you so eventually you can build the equity involved to buying your perfect home.